Hey, welcome back to Classy Bonsai. Excited today because I have this brand new camera. It's a Sony ZV-E10. I hope I can bring you some better content now. I have a little boom mic on there and I'm really excited about this camera. It's hopefully going to transform my videos. I've been shooting them on my phone and with GoPros type cameras. Osmo Action's actually not GoPros. I don't use GoPros. So today though, we're going to repot a bunch of these juniper cuttings. I'm not going to show you all of it. It gets monotonous and boring. I'll show you one or two, and then at the end I'll show you all of them that I did. Let me show you. So these right here are the juniper cuttings. Yesterday I did a few of the bigger ones and they're there, but that's my dog trying to get me to play ball with him. Today I'm going to take all of these. I think there's about 40 in there. And I'm going to pot them up into some 4-inch pots and let them grow for a couple of years. We have all the pots set up with screen. Not all of them. I did 20 for now, but there's way more cuttings. I'm going to stick some cuttings in there. Alright, now we have all of the pots with a little bit of soil mixture in there. This is what I use for growing stuff out. It's calcined clay, perlite, and coco coir. Bring you along on the first one or two, and then we're going to turn off the camera and do the rest of them and see how it goes after that. It's going to go probably just about how you think. Crazy roots. Cuttings always have weird roots. Sometimes they're only on one side. This one, I'm lucky, has roots here and there. We're going to cut this long one a little bit. I don't know why I'm wearing gloves. It's going to make everything so much harder. So I can splay those out. These will grow out this side. That's a good one. That's a good cutting. Taking these gloves off. Nonsense. The roots grab one of them. Soil. Cover it back up. And we'll stick it over here. Next one. So here they are, all potted up. That's a lot of juniper cuttings. Holy moly. These three, the only three that didn't have roots, but they look like calloused and about to root. This is what I rooted them in. So this is perlite and calcined clay, but it's really oil dry. Stuff you get at like a hardware store to dry the oil. I sift out all the small particles and I only keep the big ones. They get to be about this size right here. And it works. These things all loved it. The roots were crazy. These Japanese black pines are growing in it. Red pines are growing in it. These Japanese black pines are growing in it. So I think it works. But that's just my opinion. It's cheaper than Akadama, so I use it. I do use Akadama on some stuff. That tree's growing in it. But there they are. Alright, thanks for watching. That's the Itoigawa juniper cuttings. 1 year out. I cut those things last May at Bonsai Central, a workshop with Bjorn. You saw some of the roots. I think I showed you some of the roots. If not, I'll throw in some pictures because I took some pictures with my phone. but they rooted well. There's 32 of them, or no, 33 of them that rooted, 3 that didn't. That's a pretty good success rate. But the other 3 that didn't are still alive, and I'm sure they're going to root by the end of this year. That's another one here. Please like and subscribe. Remember, I'm not a bonsai master, I'm not a bonsai teacher. I'm just a guy documenting his craziness. So if you want to learn some good stuff, go to Bonsai, go to Heron's Bonsai, go to Nigel Saunders, go to Bonsai Mirai, go to Bjorn, go to one of these other awesome bonsai channels. Come here for entertainment, come here to see experiments. Thanks for watching.